Now lo made with flame, pamisui plau lo wokim onion crepes. Me got mozzarella cheese, plain flour, spring onion, 2 boiled egg, salt, water, corn flour, plain flour again. Now me add water na salt. Now you mix him salt na water pastem. Me add flour blow me. Now you mix him. Use him hand blow me lo. Mix him dough. By me rest him lo 10 minutes. When me mix him corn flour na plain flour one time. Okay, roll him. Dough blow you go lo nice flat round shape. Now by me rest him lo 10 minutes. Okay, now by me cut him. By me roll him big dough blow me. You dust him lo flour. Roll him dough blow you go thin. You not thin too much. Enough lo. You can put him filling blow me go inside. Now wrap him. Rub him one time melted butter. You put him spring onion blow me. You grated egg blow me. Put him some egg. Now you put him some cheese. You fold him. Okay, me brush him one time butter again. You fold him again. Now you ready lo pan fry him that's all. By me put him flame oil blow me. By me heat him up oil. Now by me fry him onion crepes blow me. Make sure you fry him low heat until I'm golden brown. You turn him go another plus side. Onion crepes blow me I'm ready now. Me using flame products because one time flame you can make him more.